Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So we're going to fry some fish. We're going to have a fish sandwich, okay? Alright, let's get started. Okay, I already seasoned the fish, and now I'm going to show you how to season the cornmeal. I have fine cornmeal and coarse cornmeal mixed together, and we're going to put the seasoning in the cornmeal, and we're going to fry it, okay? Alright, let's do it. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe, share the video, okay? Will you do that for me? Great. 1 second. Okay, so this is our fine and coarse cornmeal I put in the bag, okay? And now we're just going to add our seasonings. We're going to add ground garlic. This is the same seasoning that's on the fish itself already, okay? Black pepper, and the reason why you season the cornmeal along with the fish itself is because you don't want to lose any flavoring. Okay, now we're just going to shake that up, and now we're going to put the fish in the bag with the cornmeal so that we can coat the fish with the cornmeal. Okay, I have 4 pieces. It's Pollock fish. Just going to shake it up so it's all nice and coated. And then we're just going to add it to we have grapeseed oil on the stove in the frying pan. And someone asked me the other day, how much do I use? Well, my rule of thumb is I try to cover 1/4 of the bottom of the fish. Only 1/4. And the reason why I only try to cover 1/4 is because if I tell you a 1/2 cup or 1/4 cup or something like that, I don't know what size frying pan you have to really tell you that properly. So I don't want to say that. For me, I use very, very little, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. But for the sake of you judging that, just cover 1/4 of the bottom of the fish. That's very little. It is not even going to be over the top of the fish at all. No. Okay? Alright. So I have 3 pieces in there so far. I'm going to let that cook, and then I'll turn it over, and we'll have 1 more piece to cook after that, okay? Alright, so we'll be right back. Okay, so let me give you the word of the day while I'm waiting, okay? The word of the day is consider having fish, if you can, once a week. Whether it's tuna fish or canned fish or, I don't know, sardines or regular fish, if you can, because we have to have a balanced diet, and we definitely need fish in our diet, okay? So the word of the day is balance off your diet by eating fish often, okay? As often as you can. Alright, so let me turn the fish over and let me let you see. Okay, so let's see. Okay, and I got 1 last piece to turn over. and that one broke on me. That's okay. Okay. And we're going to let that cook until it gets hard on the side that we just turned it on. And then I'll take it out and I'll put the last piece in. Okay, so we'll be back in a few. Okay, the fish is out. So here's our, let me put it down so you can see. Here's our fried fish. Okay, and I promised you fish and grits, right? So let me add the grits on the plate. Okay. And the grits, you always add some margarine or butter right in the middle. And then you're going to mix that in. So I just added the margarine right here. You give that a little mix. Okay. And let me take a picture with the fish and grits. How about that, huh? Fish and grits. This is a southern dish, guys. Oh, you're gonna love it, you're gonna love it, you're gonna love it. Let's take a taste. Take a little piece of the fish. Just the way I imagined it. I love fish. I love fish. Very good. And the grits. You know, the fish is light, right? So it's not like, it doesn't really fill you up. But the grits is on the heavier side. So it's a good balance. You know what I mean? Okay. So you try your fish and grits and let me know how it come out, okay? Alright, until next time, Grandma Ray loves you. Talk to you soon. Hit that thumbs up if you like the fish and grits. Share the video with the world. Why not? And subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.